Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this is how to train ChatGPT to be your personal assistant. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and open the ChatGPT application and make sure you have downloaded this into your device. Now from here, right away, you should be able to have a fresh chat page. So guys, just simply tell ChatGPT that I want you to be my personal assistant and add a question. Do you understand? And just simply send it, and from here, guys, you can give ChatGPT some situational questions and you can give data for ChatGPT to organize to. And when you go to the top left corner, you should be able to see the side bar. And from here, guys, you should be able to see here multiple chat tab. And from here, guys, you can just simply go back to the personal assistant tab. And from here, all of the conversation over here will be saved. And when you ask ChatGPT if he remember some things you did a few days ago, he should be able to understand it. And there you go. See ya.